LHE double girder crane with hoist installation guide. Check the shipping list. Unpack and check the packing list. Mechanical parts. Install the end carriage in order. Install locating bolts first. Then install the common bolts. Place the handrails in the corresponding positions. Install the electrical control box support bracket. Install handrails. Install the electrical control box. Install buffer extension. Install buffer. Install maintenance cage. Install double nut bolts to prevent loosening. Prepare the connecting beam for installation. Install the connecting beam in order. Install connecting shaft. Install the fixing plate. Install hook blocker bracket. Prepare the support bracket installation. Install the support bracket. Install the track hanger. Install the pendant track. Install the track joint. Install the trolley. Install the hook. Install the iron stopper. Install anti-slip lock. Install overload limiter. Electrical parts. Install remote control. Install the cable trolleys. Install the pendant cable. Fasten the end cable trolley. Install the steel chain. Install trolley conductor bracket. Wire. Bundle. And connect the cables. Install the trolley limit switch. Install the trolley limit switch plate. Install the crane limit switch. Note, the amount of oil injected into the reducer of each mechanism should refer to the reducer mark to quantitatively fill industrial gear oil, carry out commissioning and run the driving mechanism.